Now we are going to see the question from signals and systems given in GATE 2003, the common data question here. So given that, solve the problems and choose the correct answers here. So the system under consideration is an RC low pass filter with R equals to 1 kilo ohm and C equals to 1 microfarad. Then given that, let x of f denote the frequency response of the RC low pass filter. Let f1 be the highest frequency such that 0 less than or equals to f less than or equals to f1. Then mod h of f1 divided by h of 0 is greater than or equals to 0.95. Then we need to find the f1 value here. So in order to find the f1, given that it is a low pass RC circuit, we know that low pass RC circuit is nothing but the series combination of we need to consider the series combination of R and C here. R and C, series combination of R and C, taking the output V0 and input Vi, R and C here. Here given that h of f1, h of mod h of f1, then we need to find the transfer function from the given low pass RC circuit and we need to find the magnitude for that. So in order to find the transfer function here, I am applying the Fourier transform. First I will find from the Laplace transforms and later I will convert into Fourier transforms. So by applying the Laplace transform for this, it becomes Vi of s and this is V0 of s and the reactance becomes 1 by Cs and this is R only. Now apply the Laplace transform to find the transfer function. Here you know that by applying the voltage division rule, V0 of s equals to 1 by Cs divided by R plus 1 by Cs into Vi of s. Then the transfer function h of s equals to V0 of s divided by Vi of s, that is equals to 1 by 1 plus RCS. Now convert this into Fourier transform. So you know that s equals to j omega. Substitute that s equals to j omega here. So h of j omega equals to 1 by 1 plus RC j omega. Now find the magnitude for RC j omega. Now we given that the magnitude, the transfer function is in terms of f, so convert in terms of f here. So we know that omega equals to 2 pi f, then this becomes h of f equals to 1 by 1 plus j 2 pi f RC, 2 pi f RC. Now finding the given that here in the problem it was given that mod h of f1 divided by h of 0 is greater than or equals to 0.95. So given that mod h of f1 divided by h of 0 greater than or equals to 0.95, then we need to find the mod h of f1 and h of 0. So find the h of 0 first. So h of 0 is nothing but place f equals to 0. We know that this becomes 1. So and find mod h of f1, nothing but this is equals to 1 by square root of 1 plus 2 pi f1 RC whole square. Magnitude for that h of f, placing f equals to f1. Now you substitute in this expression, then it becomes 1 by square root of 1 plus 4 pi square f1 square r square c square greater than or equals to 0.95. Now simplify this one. By simplifying this we'll get this as 1 plus 4 pi square f1 square r square c square less than or equals to 0.95. This is square root of this is 0.95. we'll get then apply the square on both the sides, then it becomes 1 plus 4 pi square f1 square r square c square less than or equals to, taking the square on both the sides, it becomes 1.108. Now take this one that side, so it becomes 4 pi square f1 square r square c square less than or equals to 0.108. Then take the square root on both the sides, then it becomes 2 pi f1, taking the square root on both the sides, this becomes 2 pi f1 rc less than or equals to square root of 0.108 is 0.329. Then the f1 value becomes, now we'll get the f1 equals to f1 less than or equals to 0.329 divided by 2 pi rc. Now substitute the values of r and c here, then we'll get f1 less than or equals to 0.329 divided by 2 pi, this is 1 k is given and this is given as 1 microfarad. So finally we'll get that the value of f1 less than or equals to 52.2 Hz. So f1 is the max value, then we can consider that f1 max equals to 52.2 Hz. So that we'll see the options, it was given as 52.2 in terms of Hz. That's what the answer. And coming to the next question, let Tg of f be the group delay function of the given RC low pass filter and f2 equals to 100 Hz, then Tg f2 in terms of milliseconds here. So we need to find the group delay function first of all. For that we need to find that value at f2 equals to 100 Hz here. So group delay means that we'll find from the transfer function. So let us consider, we have the transfer function, we derived that h of omega equals to this is 1 by 1 plus j omega rc, and group delay is nothing but we have an expression for group delay, that is the Tg equals to minus d theta of omega divided by d omega. Here theta of omega is nothing but phase. That is the phase of h of omega, that is equals to, we'll get this as this from the transfer function, this is 1 by 1 plus this is 1 divided by tan inverse of omega rc by 1, that is omega rc So taking to the numerator, this becomes minus tan inverse omega RC. So that's what the theta of omega. Then find the Tg of omega here. Find the Tg of omega. So that is Tg here. So by finding that Tg equals to, this is minus d theta of omega by d omega. That is by applying the differentiation for tan inverse of omega RC. Tan inverse of omega RC, we know that tan inverse of x equals to, we know that tan inverse of x, d by dt of tan inverse of t equals to 1 by 1 plus t square. Then the same thing we are applying here, that is 1 by 1 plus omega square r square c square, and we have constant that is RC. Now substitute the values of RC and 2 pi f. Here we need to find the value of Tg. Value of Tg at f2. We need to find the value of Tg at f2, that is Tg of f2, given that f2 value equals to, 100 H. Now finding that R equals to 1 kilo H into, this is 1 microfarad divided by 1 plus, by writing that omega equals to 2 pi f, this becomes 4 pi square, and f2 square is nothing but 10 power 4 100 square into RC is nothing but, that is 10 power minus 3. It becomes 10 power minus 3. Then by simplifying this expression, we will get the value equals to 0.717 millisecond. We will get the value equals to 0.717 millisecond. Now you will see the answer in the given options. Here it is 0.717 in terms of milliseconds. So like this we'll find the transfer function for the given low pass filter first of all, and given from this expression we will find the value of f1, and later we'll find the expression for the group delay, and we'll substitute the values of that expression values given in the problem. Then we'll get the corresponding answers.